So, to begin, go to your app launcher and look for the Google app called Cursive. This is your personal digital notebook for all of your handwritten notes. To start, click on New Note. You'll see that you have toolbar options at the top of your blank space. You can change the color, either one of the pre made or a custom color. You can change the pen width and then you can either use your finger or a stylus on a touchscreen device, or you can use the trackpad or mouse on your Chromebook. You can do your own handwritten notes, or you could even make sketch notes. Besides the pen, other tools include a highlighter. Again, you can choose a color and change the width to help add some color and some organization to your notes. Now you can use two fingers to pinch pull to zoom in and out, easily letting you move around the page. But if you don't want the page to move, you can choose to turn on a canvas lock. That way, when you touch, it just draws. Another option is you can go to the three dot menu and change the background. Maybe you want a blank background so that it's more of a drawing space. Maybe you prefer written lines for handwriting. You might also prefer to use grids, either dots or lines. So, for example, with these grid lines, we could go to the bottom of the page and do a little graphing. Notice that when you scroll down on the page, it keeps creating more space for you to write and draw. So, when you're all done, you can come back to your home page and your notes are right here in the home app. You can rename it so that it's easier to find instead of just using the date and time. You may also choose to create notebooks and sort them into those notebooks. You'll notice the color coding will match. A little tag on the top of the note matches the notebook so that you know exactly where to find it. This is a great way to stay organized between different subjects or different tasks. Now, you can go and edit old notes as well. Let's look at some of the editing tools. On the toolbar, you have an option where you can grab and select anything that's inked. And you can use this to move it, to resize it. You also have the option to add more room if you need to add notes. For that one thing you forgot to write down, just draw the line and pull that line down to make more space. A really cool trick in cursive is that you can also use the touch gesture to draw these tools. For example, you can draw a straight line, and that will add the line. Another option is to insert images from your Chromebook that will connect the learning that you've done elsewhere into your digital notes. I hope you enjoy using Cursive as much as I do.